If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up, and to subscribe to our channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get the latest notification from Swaggy Amma. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we are back with another recipe from the Konkani delicacy. We'll be seeing how to make crispy, crunchy, sugar dipped fenori. So to make this recipe, the ingredients required are 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of rice flour and a pinch of salt, 3 to 4 tablespoons of homemade ghee, and the recipe of the same is there in the suggested video on the top right corner of your screen or in the description box. Firstly, to begin with, in a mixing bowl, add the all-purpose flour and salt and mix the dry ingredients well. Next, add water little by little and knead the dough. Add 1 teaspoon of homemade ghee and knead it again. Once your soft and fluffy dough is ready, allow it to rest for some time. Next, to prepare the sugar syrup, add half a cup of water and 3/4 cup of sugar to a saucepan and allow the sugar to dissolve. Cook in low to medium flame and keep stirring occasionally. Once the sugar is dissolved completely, add elaichi to it. Stop further cooking once the sugar syrup is glossy and is of one string consistency. Next, prepare small balls out of the dough which we had previously prepared. Spread them using the help of a rolling pin into thin chapatis. Next, to prepare the spread, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee to the rice flour and mix it well. Place the chapatis layer by layer and apply the spread uniformly all over them. Now, using the help of both the hands, roll them tightly. Cut them into proportionate portions using a knife. Keep them vertical and spread them once again gently. Next, in a kadai, add refined sunflower oil, and once the oil is hot, deep fry the fenoris. Flip them over and cook uniformly on both the sides until they are done. Dip the deep fried fenori in the sugar syrup which we had previously prepared. Flip them and make sure that the sugar syrup is uniformly spread over them. Set aside the fenori for some time so that the sugar syrup sets on them. Now your crispy and crunchy fenori is ready. Do try the simple recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to share it along with your friends. Thanks for watching, and there are few more videos on your screen, and do not forget to subscribe.